Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to get your credit report in UK. So basically it is going to be Experian credit report. So for that you're going to be heading over to this particular site. So there are a lot of other sites on which a lot of people go to by mistake. So you are going to be simply heading over to this particular one, and once we are here you can see I'm going to be clicking onto that. You will be directed towards this section. So this is the basically section from where you can get your free credit support, and for that the very first thing is you need an account. So make sure that you put your details right to create your account. You can see we have free account registration, step-by-step process. We have our title, which is going to be for a set of options to choose from. We have title, first name, last name, we have date of birth, and we have email address. We also have a confirm email address, and we can go through everything. And yeah, so basically once you create that, you're going to be clicking on get your free score. And by the way, this is going to be for the UK version that you require credit report for. And yeah, so once you have that ready, make sure that you have set of different type of elements ready as well, like for example clear picture, know your where you stand, access to better detail. Basically these are the benefits to know your score. And yeah, I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel.